There it is, my roadies. There it is, south of the border. The pinnacle of all attractions. And yes, the entire United States of America. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to check it out! Come on! You know, some people say that south of the border is just a tacky tourist trap, but no. I think it's as awesome as the Egyptian pyramids. Oh yeah, choke slam the like button, subscribe to my channel, follow me on all the dadgum social media, and if you want to, you can support me on PayPal, but after watching this video, you probably won't. Well, hey my roadies, welcome to the most incredible, absolutely amazing attraction in the entire state of South Carolina, maybe even the entire Southeast. I give you south of the border. Let's check out this just incredible, stupendous place to visit. Let's go. Doesn't this beautiful craftsmanship on the sign just invite you for an amazing warm stay? Look, a nice young family coming in to check in. I'm sure they're gonna have a lovely time here. Even the name is just absolutely epic. Why not try it out? Let's see and explore. Check out the amazing accommodations here at the Pleasure Dome Hotel. I mean, looks like a kiddie pool, right? No, it's a different version of a hot tub. Such 5-star accommodations. It's truly amazing to see the luxury here. Lost in this Pleasure Dome. Haha, scored Van Halen reference. Check out the spectacular attention to detail with the water fountain. It's absolutely incredible, mind-blowing creativity. Look at the exquisite piping, as well as the just incredible black trim paint around the blue edges. And behind is the Pleasure Dome. Here is just a shot of the beautiful, amazingly themed motor lodge rooms in and around this elaborately themed pool. About the only thing redeeming are the palmetto trees. One of the absolutely stupendous amenities here south of the border is a lot of their shops with the 5 diamond shopping. Look at the attention to detail and the amazing flamingos that are around the property. Truly just magnificent works of art. Guys, I am clearly blown away. This is amazing. I just incredible place. Here is the 5 diamond sombrero room restaurant. Amazing dining. And then here we have the just amazing treasures that are here in the souvenir store. Let's check it out. South of the border has many different trinkets and exquisite souvenirs from Mexico, made in China and Taiwan. The store even has, quote, handcrafted, unquote, squishies that families like this love to choose from.
No, we can't. No, these mushies explode. We're not getting these mushies. You can get a Slinky dog?
There's a Slinky dog. I already got him a Slinky for Christmas.
And in so many different stores, I had no idea that I could find this assortment of cups and coffee mugs. I am in sheer amazement. I know I'm saying amazing a lot, but it's so amazeballs. Holy cow. Wow. It's the Little Mermaid dolls. My gosh. south of the border, Pedro's Bug Buster. Your political message for this video. You're welcome. Oh wow, now this is a impressive t-shirt. Just don't know if I would wear it. Such artistry. It looks just like the real thing, like you would find at Universal. You're gonna have to take your family down here to Dillon, South Carolina, especially to see this incredible icon, the Great Sombrero. Now I know you're saying, what are you thinking, Dave? You're here at some place right off of Interstate 95, near the town of Dillon. And what makes it so amazing? Can you not see what makes it incredible? Now, south of the border is near and on the way to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. And the next exquisite store that we're going to actually has a lot of legitimate Myrtle Beach merchandise. The attraction inside this Myrtle Beach shop is actually kind of legitimate. It was supposedly, quote unquote, captured off the coast of the Florida Keys, a great white shark. Personally, I think south of the border should just file copyright against Disney. This truly is Bruce from Finding Nemo. Come on, Pedro. Fight the power. You know, at Epcot, there's the Fountain of Nations. But here, there is the blue water fountain at Pedro's. So beautiful. Just wanted to show you the amazing modern architecture of Pedro's Pleasure Dome one more time. South of the border also has, dare I say it, a sky bridge for some absolutely breathtaking views. See, my roadies, this place is not just a motor inn. It's not just a tourist souvenir shop. No. It is a vacation destination. Look all around and see the absolute magic of this land. As we walk over the well-manicured paths of this area, we come across to another motor lodge. I'm convinced I might actually want to stay here. Hola, Senor Chris. Looking good, my man? Hola. The animatronics here are interesting. Now that's just a shame. I just think the bank couldn't handle the business of being here. They couldn't handle the magic. Now we're gonna check out an amazing attraction. I keep saying amazing. Stupendous, spectacular attraction. Yes, the Reptile Lagoon. Because I'm a big fan of snakes. I absolutely love them. I adore them. I want to have them in my room. I'm about as big a fan of snakes as Indiana Jones is. But here, they got snakes, alligators, all sorts of different animals.
South America? Oh shoot, there's a parrot right there.
Yep. He was real. For a second.
Be regal, Milo, please. Yes, on your perch. That's my boy. There we go.
There you go.
That's my boy.
Good side, good side, good side.
Do it. Do it. Don't.
You know, who needs Cancun, Cozumel, Playa del Carmen when you have this? Ah, yes. Let's go over to Fort Pedro, where you can get enough fireworks to literally bombard an entire army brigade.
Okay, come on.
My only thing is,
Y'all want a drink, right?
why did they yank out the hippo's teeth? That's not cool, man. Hippos gotta eat. Cinderella Castle, Spaceship Earth. They're nothing. For this is a true icon. It's broken. I came all the way here to be at the glorious top of the sombrero, and it's broken. Why? Wow. Who'd have guessed they'd be putting up huge statues of our nation's politicians right here at the south of the border? I read somewhere that some of the Disney Imagineers came here for their first ever job. I sure hope not. Now let us explore the wonder of Pedroland Park. Well, some of you business leaders want a convention center to host your next convention. Behold. Ah, the carousel. And that Hang 10 attraction, man, now that just looks like a 10-star attraction. That's actually a shame. The cars there look actually pretty cute for a little toddler ride, as well as those biplanes over there. Whoa. That putt-putt course looks legit. Now I have seen everything in amusement park rides. You can have a ride that's pretty shocking. I'm sure this ride is pretty electrifying. I imagine this ride is pretty powerful. I'm sure after this ride you feel empowered. Okay, I'll stop. Well, my roadies, I hope you enjoyed this spectacle of true amusement. This pinnacle of incredible entertainment. And maybe someday we'll take a ride on the big sombrero elevator. Until next time, my roadies. Laters! If you enjoyed the spectacular tour video, you'll enjoy tours of the Spanish Inquisition.